How to turn on haptic keyboard feedback? Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Next, tap Keyboard Feedback. Now, turn on the toggle next to Haptic. Once enabled, your iPhone will provide a subtle vibration each time you type on the keyboard, giving you tactile feedback as you press the keys. If you'd also like to hear key clicks while typing, you can turn on the sound toggle from the same screen. Your changes will be saved automatically and take effect immediately. If you don't see the haptic option, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 16 or later, as keyboard haptic feedback is available starting with iOS 16. And that's it. You've successfully turned on haptic keyboard feedback on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.